How can deaf people become more informed about their rights when accessing healthcare? Firstly, I would recommend to prepare. You never know when you're going to become ill, and I would recommend that you prepare as soon as possible for any eventuality. If you do become ill, you're already prepared and have things in place. If you become ill, things can be quite difficult and you can experience lots of barriers to accessing healthcare, and it can be difficult to understand information about your conditions. And I'll talk about how to prepare for illness later on in these slides. Other ways you can inform yourself are to have a look at a charity called Sign Health, who are online. They operate across the UK and they campaign government for deaf rights. They do a lot of campaign work and a lot of research, and that information is put on their website in British Sign Language. So it's a good way to get information in your first language. I would also recommend to contact groups like support groups who may have information there for you. I'm aware of Macmillan Deaf Cancer Support Group, and they provide services for deaf people who have cancer, and it's a sign-based service. This is the sign name, and it's provided by Macmillan. It's worth having a look at those. Another thing I would recommend is to become involved in Signalise. They're a Merseyside cooperative and it's co-owned by the deaf community and the interpreting community. If you attend those meetings and become involved, you'll be able to get information there about your rights.